Welcome to our guide on setting signer priorities. This ensures the right people sign your document in the order that works best for you. Start by selecting who needs to sign, whether it's just you and others, or only others. Next, add your signer or choose an existing one from the drop-down menu. Then select the document you want to send, whether from your inbox, shared folder, device, or cloud account. Once ready, click Proceed to prepare document. Now drag and drop the signature box and any other required fields where needed. Once everything looks good, click Send Email. On the left side menu, select Priority Signing and simply drag the signer windows to set the signing order according to your preference. Don't forget to adjust email settings if needed, and then click Send for Sign. Once the email is sent, your signer will receive it in the order you've set. Other signers will only get the email once the first person has signed the document. After everyone signs, each party involved will receive an email with the completed signed document. That's it! Now you know how to set the priority of your signers. If you need more help, visit our website justsign.com.au, or you can call us on 02-9684-4199. JustSign, streamlining your document signing process.